Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is on writing quadratic equations in factored form. If you remember how to solve quadratic equations by factoring, you remember that you set your factors equal to 0 and then solve for your variable. We are going to undo that process to write equations in factored form. Here we have x equals 3 and x equals -5. We are trying to set these solutions equal to 0 using inverse operations. So with the 3, to undo this, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, zeros out on the right-hand side, and we end up with x minus 3 equals 0. And then here, we're going to add 5 to both sides to zero it out on the right-hand side, and we get x plus 5 equals 0. Those are our two factors, so we're just going to write them in parentheses. We have x minus 3 times x plus 5 equals 0, and there is our quadratic equation in factored form. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have two solutions that are fractional solutions, so there's going to be an added step. We're still undoing the process using inverse operations. Remember that 1/3 is really 1 divided by 3. So to undo the division, we're going to use the inverse operation, which is multiplication. We're going to multiply both sides by 3, 1 it out on the right-hand side. We get 3x equals 1. And now to undo the 1 or set it equal to 0, we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. And we get 3x minus 1 equals 0. On the other solution, we're going to undo the division by multiplication by 5, and that gives us 5x equals -2, and to get rid of that -2 and to zero it out, we're going to add 2 to both sides. So that gives us 5x plus 2 equals 0. These are our factors, so we're just going to write them together like this, 3x minus 1 times 5x plus 2 equals 0, and there is our quadratic equation in factored form. That concludes our lesson for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below, and for more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.